Hello friends, in today's video we are going to look into what is Pandas and what are its various features. Nowadays, Panda has become a buzzword in Python community, especially it is very popular in data science community. First, what is data science? Data science or data analytics is a process of analyzing large set of data points to get answers on questions related to that data set. Panda is a Python module that makes data science easy and effective. So Panda is a Python library which is a collection of pre-written code that you can easily import for adding certain functionality to your project. Now let's get deeper on Pandas. Pandas stands for Python Data Analysis Library. The name Panda is derived from the term panel data, an econometrics term for multi-dimensional structured data sets. Econometrics is the branch of economics concerned with the use of mathematical methods, especially statistics, in describing the economic systems. Panda is super useful Python library, especially while working with datasets. It has functions for analyzing, cleaning, exploring, and manipulating data. Panda was started by Wes Mepskini, an American software developer and businessman, in the year 2008. He started Pandas out of a need for a powerful and a flexible quantitative analysis tool. Now Panda has grown into one of the most popular Python libraries. Panda is a fast, powerful, flexible, and easy to use open source data analysis and manipulation tool. Panda is built on the top of two core Python libraries, that is Matplotlib and NumPy. Matplotlib is a plotting library for the Python programming language and is used for data visualization. And NumPy stands for Numerical Python. It is also a Python library and is used for mathematical operations, especially when you are working with arrays. Pandas acts as a wrapper over these libraries. How it acts as a wrapper? It allows you to access many of the Matplotlib's and NumPy's methods with less code. Let's understand this with an example. For instance, pandas.plot. This statement combines multiple Matplotlib methods into a single method and enables you to plot a chart in few lines. Before Pandas, most analysts used Python for data munging and preparation. What is data munging? Data munging is known as cleaning up anything which is messy by transforming them. Or in technical terms, we can say that transforming the data in the database into a useful form. So after data munging and preparation, they switched to a more domain-specific language like R for the rest of their workflow. To stop this type of shifting, Panda introduced two new types of objects for storing data. And these objects make analytic tasks easier and eliminate the need to switch. These two types were series and data frames. Series was having a list-like structure as shown in the figure, and data frames which have a tabular structure that is in the form of rows and columns. Panda is a quite game changer when it comes to analyzing data with Python and is one of the most preferred and widely used tools in data munging and wrangling. Already explained you that data munging or wrangling is the process of gathering, collecting and transforming raw data into another format for better understanding. Now what's cool about Panda is that it takes data like from CSV or TSP file or from SQL database and creates a Python object with rows and columns called data frames, and these data frames looks very similar to a table in a statistical software like in Excel. People who are familiar with R would see similarities to R too. This is so much easier to work with in comparison to working with lists or dictionaries through for loops or list comprehension. Its large global community provides extensive help to individuals who are using this library to create new projects. This library is also used to create machine learning models because of its data handling features. Also, it uses high-level structure and many algorithms to analyze the data. Even many developers use Pandas library to sort complex data. Now let's focus at some of features of Pandas. It offers high performance by merging and joining of data. Panda is easy to learn and is very easy to use. It provides so many built-in methods, and this comes with an graphical interface. It provides fast and efficient data from frame object with default and customized indexings. It provides tools for loading data into in-memory data objects from different file formats. It handles missing data very easily. It provides time series functionality like date range generation and frequency conversion, moving window stats, moving window linear regressions, date shifting and lagging, etc. Reshaping and pivoting of datasets is also one of the features of Pandas. Labels-based slicing, indexing, and subsetting of large datasets. Columns from a data structure can be very easily inserted or deleted in Pandas. It also provides group by data for aggregation and transformations. Now here is some important points related to the development of Pandas like license, developer, written in stable release, initial release, author, and so on. That's all we have with today's lecture. Thank you.